Okay, the figures formed from rectangles. Well, we don't want to, we need to know what the lengths are, okay? So here, this one is 3 feet by 3 feet, or 9 feet squared. Okay, I'll write that a little bit better, but 9 square feet, because it's 3 feet times 3 feet. Okay, so I'll take off the units for a second, oops, and just call that as 9. Now, this thing, we know what the length is. That length is 6, because it says it right there. But what's the width of this? What is the width of that? Well, the width of that is this whole 9 feet, and then back off by that length, which just happens to be 3 feet. So it's 9 minus 3, because if these are rectangles, and that's kind of a key to what they told us, these are rectangles, means that opposite side is the same as this side. Okay, so that distance is 3 feet as well. And so if the whole thing was 9, and you didn't go the last 3 feet, you'd have gone 6 feet this direction. So that means that this is 6 feet. So then how much is the area of this one? Because it says find the total area. Well, that's 6 feet times 6 feet, which is 6 times 6 is 36. Feet times feet is feet squared. So our units are going to be feet squared. Now, this has an area of 36. This has an area of 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. So our answer is 45 feet squared. So the trick with this is you got to break it up into rectangles that you can calculate each one, and sometimes you need to calculate the length of a side by saying, I know the entire distance, take away what's across from it that we didn't actually go. We went all the way to here, but we didn't go the rest of those 3 feet, so we go 3 feet less than the 9 feet here. Yep.